There's always things to be grateful for. It's hard to see them sometimes, you know. I should be grateful for the rain. Fills up our rivers and our streams, and it makes our grasses grow, and it makes our rivers flow, and it maketh my cup overflow. But it's hard to be grateful when it's raining and you are soaked to the bone. It's hard to feel inspired, simpler to just get tired. Hard to feel grateful for the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da. And I should be grateful for my failures. Lord knows I've had more than a few, but they help me to grow, and they help me to know all the things I don't know. But it's hard to be grateful when you're turned down, rejected time after time. It's hard to feel grateful, simpler to just get hateful. Hard to feel grateful for the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da. It's hard to feel grateful for the pain, for it breaks our heart in two. But from those cracks we always come back, and through those cracks the light shines through. But it's hard to be grateful when you're hurting, when your face first down on the ground. Why, it's hard to be inspired, simpler to just get tired. It's hard to be grateful for the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da, the rain, da 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 da. Grateful I got you, grateful I got you, grateful I got you. Da da da.